Right guys, we'll tell our story. So, welcome. We're at Muckle Roe Marina. It's a beautiful day. What are we going to go do?
Camping.
Jem?
Camping.
Camping. We're camping. The excitement is just unbelievable right now. These guys are literally fizzing with excitement, aren't you? See the fizz? The fizz. Fizz is real. Right, okay. So hopefully we can do a bit of fishing and a bit of mucking around. It's beautiful this next 24, 36 hours, something like that. So we're going to make the most of it. Come along for the ride. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go! The fizz. The fizz is real.
Yay.
That boat's not looking very clever. That ain't right.
What?
It's leaning quite a bit. Oh, there's a creel there. Hold on, George. Jimmy, hold that. I don't know where the rope goes. Looks like it goes straight down. What's that, darling? Yeah. We made it, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
Little bit bumpy out there, but it's to settle tomorrow, so it was worth a punt. The wind's going to keep falling. Boat's anchored up. I've got two lines either side of the stern and one off the bow as well, so it's going to stay centered between those rocks, and it's got one stopping it from pushing into, so we can forget about it. It's got 3 anchors on it, and now we've got to get this set. Yay! Fizzing! Fizzing! Right, let's go! Welcome back. Campsite's done. The boat is safe and sound. We've got the tents pitched up, so I'll take you for a quick tour. Still got a little bit of tidying up to do. Oh, I'll get the cooler box and we'll move that. Jem's on strike. Oh, don't know where you went there. Jem's on strike. So we've got the fire pit, titanium fire pit. Ah, yeah. Jem loves a bit of titanium. This is our air shelter, which is amazing. Great base camp. Cool if you want to get changed or anything like that, and get cozy as well. Sorry, I keep changing this thing. This is on a weird angle thing. I forgot bits for the GoPro. Nightmare. First world problems. So Jem is rocking the Kilos Gear high back chair. Boom. George is catching a cold. That's about it. What a spot though. What a spot. The sun is just setting. So we're at the north hams of Muckle Roe. Most folk in Shetland know exactly what this is. There's an old mill up there. Little stream comes down. It's very pretty. I'll take you for a quick tour of the tent. Workhouse Peak 3. A friend of mine, Billy, recommended one of these, and I got this on a deal on eBay. Unicorn hot water bottle and Turbo the sloth. And Sea to Summit mats. Really cozy. Pretty good. In a nice little vestibule thing. And George is using the Fox 2 version 2 by OEX. Pretty cool tents actually. I just realised one of my guys has come loose. Bit more minimal. He's got his little light and his phone and all his kit, and it's super cozy. And we get to look at this view. So the wind's coming over this way. That's why we've set everything looking at the loch just now, so we get a bit of a windbreak. The wind's going to fall away and it's going to be beautiful, but I'd rather be comfortable, and we can always turn the stuff around if we want. But we're just down for the one night, nothing major. But that's our campsite. It's pretty cool. It's a lot, but it's really easy because we've got the rib, so we can just bring the rib onto the shore, dump the boat stuff, bring it here, done. You can afford to be ridiculously heavy with kit. And when you've got the kids as well, like everyone's warm, no one's complaining, we're quite happy. And once you come into the shelter here, you've got a complete windbreak. So, we've got an asbestos mat down. Well, it's not it's a fire blanket, it's not asbestos. That'd be crazy. But a fire blanket down to protect the grass, very important. And we're going to cook off this. I quite like this. I got it from Scrapper. It's titanium, it's not the lightest thing in the world, but it folds down to nothing. It goes into a little bag, it folds flat, and kicks out lots of heat, dead easy to cook on. And how'd you get on there, big guy?
Nothing.
Nothing?
My fingers are freezing.
Oh no. Right, okay. Stop talking nonsense, Dad, and get the fire going.
Yeah, please.
Pretty much, yeah.
I'm hungry.
Okay, right. Right. Okay, that's my instructions. Back to food. Oh, spooky. We have a giant teapot that's got our fresh water, and it's boiling our ready-made meatballs and pasta. Amaze balls. It's a special recipe. Secret recipe, like Jim says. George saw a fish jump. You probably can't see him on the GoPro, but he's out there somewhere trying to kill it. He's quite happy, and yeah, we're surviving so far. We're gonna get through this, Jim, eh? Yeah, pretty sure we'll make it through. So as long as we don't set the teapot on fire. Every possibility that might happen.
George, look at your marshmallow. I think it's cooked.
Nice, Jim.
I think it's
Solid.
roasted.
That's Gordon Ramsay's got nothing on you, Georgie. Your marshmallow cuisine.
I think it's roasted, George. What? That's how you get splinters.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've just dropped it.
Dad, look at my invention. I'm
Nice.
so much better.
It's currently destroying itself.
What do you mean?
Nice. That's beautiful, Jim. Great example.
Jim, that's black.
Look at yours.
Yours is black all over there.
Look at yours.
Mine's
Yours is
brown.
black all over there.
Mine's just brown.
Right, let me let it cool.
And then you go.
No,
And stop shouting in my ear as well.
gotta let it
please.
cool. Sorry,
Yeah, George.
Can you tell us to shut up, please?
gave up months ago. Right, here we go. Here we go. Big reveal.
Ow.
Oh. Go for it.
George.
Good night, big guy.
Hi, Dad.
Thank God.
Hi, Jim.
Right. Oh, you can't see a thing. I'll do that. Oh, spooky. So, time for bed? Yeah. Okay. Rot. Good night. We're off to bed. It's been...
Turn that.
What? Good night, guys. See you in the morning. Good morning. The kids are still sleeping. It was cold last night. It's not frozen, it's been above zero. Gonna guess and say it's 5 degrees, something like that. Good sleep, comfortable sleep. The wind fell away like the forecast said, and just enjoying the peace and quiet. Got the sun, kind of got the sun rising. I was cold, I didn't want to get up. I'll confess to missing the best parts of it, but yeah, still got beautiful light. It's just coming up over here behind the mill, and really pretty. I'll take you for a quick walk up this hill. Boat's still safe and sound, thankfully. It's always a relief to wake up and see that your boat's still there. The light is beautiful this time of the morning. GoPro never picks these things out, but you can see the sort of pastel light colours on the clouds. It's the simple things. The older I get, the more I appreciate the simple things. There's an otter that kicks around here sometimes as well. I doubt we're going to see him because we're very noisy and make campfires and lots of smelly things, so they don't like that stuff. But this is the North Arms in all its glory. Nice little set of caves here. You can go through them. I'll cut to something that we did earlier on this year. There's another cave that you can go through here into this next little bay, which is quite cool. I think we broke the skeg of a paddleboard in there by mistake. My fault. And all of here is a kind of like shallow kelpie bed. This whole bay is amazing to swim in. It's just pretty, especially if somebody's new to like snorkeling and freediving and stuff. It's quite shallow, so you can see everything. Lots of kelp, lots of life, and you can always kind of see the bottom. There's a few rocks here and there. If you're coming in a boat, you've got to be on your toes a little. There is a channel that you can take through here. It's a bit of a zigzag. There's a rock just sort of over here. It's actually just there. You can just, in line with that cave, you sort of have to go closer to the cave and come in and then just hug the wall. You can actually see there's a green, well, maybe you can. I don't know if the GoPro will make it out. You can actually see there's in the sand, there's a line in front of the boat that you just follow out. And there's a stone sort of just in line with this. You kind of have to come in an arc. And likewise, if you're coming in here, you have to hug the outside wall, otherwise you'll hit the stone. That's kind of exactly where your brain would put you, because it's like in the middle of the channel. I might have hit it once, possibly. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna have another coffee and then wait for the kids to get up in their own time. We're in absolutely no rush. The day's only going to get better, and let's see what else is left for the day. See what I mean about snorkeling around here? Gorgeous. Yeah, anyway, I was distracted. Bit of otter scat there, that old otter scat. Told you there was an otter. This time of year all the mushrooms are coming up as well, which is always cool to see. All these little things living in the ground that you have no idea even exist. Anyway, I'll stop rambling. Okay, so it's breakfast time. We're having bacon, sausages. There's a lot of water coming out the bacon, it's annoying. Anyway, bacon, sausages on rolls. George is still fizzing with excitement. Woohoo! And Jamie's crashed out still. She's solar powered, the sun's just rising. George will take you on a quick tour to his sister.
Hello.
Hi.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi. What do you want me to say?
I don't know. I just told you to come poke it in your face.
Okay.
Bacon roll time. What a shot. Like you're silhouetted. Don't move, not come forward. I'm trying to make this work. This is your moment, Jimmy. Oh, the light's beautiful. Boom. Ah! I never said move. Ah. What? Vandalism. Vandals.
Say Canada.
Does it say Canada?
Uh-huh.
Where does it say Canada?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, look.
I'm not so sure, but...
A.
Blur. Blur, 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 blur.
N.
No,
A. D. A.
no.
Canada.
Not buying it.
Yeah, and then if you come over here, there's someone dribble on.
Where?
I think it's up here.
More vandals.
No, but this one I think so. Not too good.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'll be the judge of that.
Somewhere over here.
Oh, you were all confident 2 minutes ago, but now doubt's creeping in.
No,
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
no,
yeah.
no.
Right, let's go find Gothy Buckies. Let's blow this pop stand. Probably got tomato sauce all over my face. Been in the ocean for some time. All the barnacles on it. I'm in a quandary. If we take that out of the water, all the barnacles will die. If we leave it in the water, then the polystyrene breaks up. What do we do? I think the barnacles are doomed anyway, if I'm being honest with you.
We'll have to wear out the water, right?
Yeah. Should we take it out of the water?
Yeah.
Okay. These goose barnacles, I think that's been in the water for ages for that stuff to grow in them.
Oh.
They're beautiful though, aren't they? Jimmy, the light. Oh man, the light. Hang on. Oh, work it. Work it, Jimmy. Boat's moved. And now it's time for the unpack. This is the rubbish bit. We've got places to be and things to do, don't we, kids?
Yeah.
Yeah. You catching fleas?
Spider.
Oh, okay. So yeah, time to slowly start packing up. We'll load up the boat and then I think we'll do a little bit of exploring on the way back. I don't like going into all the tight nooks and crannies when the boat's super heavy. And it will be quite heavy, but it's pretty calm out there, so maybe we'll get some caves on the way home. Anyway, let's get back to the work.
George with his droopy thing. Couldn't get it on the shot. It was hilarious. Like Dad stuck his finger in the boiling water last night.
Sweat on. George and I have packed up the boat. Well, Jim helped too, a little bit. Not that much, really, let's face it. Yeah, boat's packed, good to go. Let's go look at some caves now, I think. What do you think?
Yeah.
Caves?
Yeah.
Fizzing. Absolutely fizzing.
Woohoo.
Sorry, I missed that. What was that?
Woohoo.
Oof. The excitement. Bursting. Right. Phase 3, 4. I don't know. Where we are. Are we on? Phase what?
I don't know.
I don't know. time we're going to go a slow trip home and we'll have a look at some caves as well, I think, guys. What do you think?
Yeah.
Caves? Yeah. Okay. What are you doing, Jim?
Taking off my sock.
Why are you taking off your sock, Jim?
Because my shoes are filled with stones.
Oh. Why are your shoes full of stones?
Because we're walking on the beach.
Ah. Well, did we not bring welly boots?
Uh-huh.
Oh, but you chose Crocs.
Uh-huh.
And now you got wet feet.
No.
No?
No.
Oh, that's just imaginary water. Does this help? Does that help? Beautiful. So, that's us. If you made it till the end, well done. Nice little memory for me and the kids. And we're at Muckle Roe Marina. And now we've got to get that out the water. It's a low tide, bit of a pain. But we'll do it, it'll be no problem. And yeah, really interesting little trip. Enjoyed it. Thanks very much for watching. All that cool stuff. Till next time. I need to do more of these, to be honest. I feel rusty. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it. I have. It's been awesome. And glad just to get out with the kids. Hopefully we get a bit of good weather next week. I've got another week off. And I plan to get out and have some adventures, providing the weather allows. So stand by for the next one. Thank you very much. Goodbye.